Hayi, abo MacG, ningathi ngibafakela amabhadi. This was very obvious. If you watch my video, I even outlined the reason why these guys wouldn't last with DSTV. Here's the video for you. People like MacG won't last because of the Broadcasting Complaints Commission of South Africa. People can actually complain to the government. It's not like YouTube, because MacG can do whatever he wants on YouTube. He can even have naked people there. So when it comes to TV, it's different rules. On my side, I think MacG will probably last less than a year. I don't think he will last more than a year with. So I'll just say it for the last time so that every content creator is aware of this. The internet, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, none of this will go hand in hand with television. TV has different guidelines and it's owned by the government. YouTube is a private company. Facebook is a private company. But television, DSTV, adheres to the guidelines of South Africa, to the guidelines of the government. So you can't just say whatever you want. That's why Abu MacG wouldn't last in that kind of space. So if you know you are controversial, you want to do your own thing, you don't want to adhere to the guidelines of the television, just stick to the internet. Don't even go to commercial. Don't even go to SABC and do an interview if you know that you are controversial, because at the end of the day, internet is internet, TV is TV.